Hi, this is Topper Chef. Welcome to our channel. Now you must have seen about 25 of our videos, and first of all I'm thankful for all the subscribers who have subscribed to our channel, and also a lot of people have liked our recipes on Pinterest. Now if y'all like any suggestions or anything like that, of course always leave in the comments box. Now, what is this channel about? This channel is all about making, cooking, and cuisine very easy. I used to be a chef, and then when I came to America, I deviated from being a chef into some other profession. Now I'm coming back because I want to introduce spices in your cooking. Now, spices, when I'm talking about, not just making things spicy and hot. I mean, you can make anything hot by just adding hot chilies and everything, but all this amalgamation of spices should really blend in the sauces and all that we are trying to accomplish. My channel is all about healthy kind of cooking, the fast and easy way. So this will be many recipes. This is not going to be authentic recipes. This is my version of making changes to original recipes which are easier to make. My whole thing was for making this channel was when I used to go to the grocery stores and watch that all the sauces and everything coming from India and all, and then with all these additives and preservatives. Now this channel is showing how to make this very easy and fast, and that is what is the reason for the Topper Chef channel. I hope you'll like it, and definitely watch all my recipes and subscribe to it.